Welcome to LUTV News Break. I'm Akira Mouton.
And I'm Tracy Ramirez. The college tour finished its final edits and is ready to be shown to the world. But first, Lamar University had the opportunity to preview such a great accomplishment. LUTV News reporter Kalea Coleman attended the Cardinal-studded event to find out more.
Lamar University laid out the red carpet for the exclusive premiere of the college tour.
We're here at the Urban Isles Auditorium to celebrate the premiere of Lamar University's college tour episode.
10 students were selected to share their story, defining aspects of the institution and be involved in media production.
And welcome to Lamar University and our very special premiere of the college tour.
Streaming on platforms like Amazon Prime and Netflix, this show is putting Lamar University on the map.
I think a lot of people see Lamar University as a commuter school, kind of just somewhat like a community college, and we're not. We're a Division I university. So I think just kind of getting it out there a little bit more, using different platforms.
Interviewing for professional schools, I had the ability to advocate for Lamar, and usually by the time I would leave my interview, they'd say, send some more Cardinals over because we really enjoyed you.
I think it's just an easy way for us to really take Lamar University to the next level.
Moving into this university's centennial year, the story of this campus will be shared around the globe.
Even though I am one student that is representing the university, at the end of the day, my segment is an amalgamation of all the students that have guided me and the students that have guided them. And there's a rich lineage of great students here at Lamar University, and I hope that continues to grow.
Love it. So Alexis, I want to talk to you down there real quick.
The Lamar University episode will start streaming on Amazon Prime Video May 23rd. For more information on the college tour, go to www.thecollegetour.com.
For Sexual Assault Awareness Month, an event was held that had men marching around the campus of Lamar University in bright red women's pumps. LUTV News anchor Taylor Justice had the opportunity to follow the crowd to see why these shoes were made for walking.
Every 68 seconds, a person in this country is sexually assaulted.
During the month of April, the Lamar University Health Education Department hosts an annual event that allows men the opportunity to join the International March Against Rape, Sexual Assault, and Gender Violence.
For men to stand up and to be clear on their disposition, it is a great opportunity for other people to see that men are standing in the right frame for women's rights.
Walk a Mile in Her Shoes is a global campaign that encourages prevention education with a visual, public statement of men parading alongside women wearing bright red pumps.
I felt really happy about the event. I am glad that a lot of people came out to support. I felt very empowered as well, and I felt lucky to have people that supported this movement as well.
Why strut around the campus of Lamar University? To show students who are victims that they are not alone.
About 30% of college-age students that are female experience sexual assault in their lifetime, and that a lot of those students never report those sexual assault experiences.
This event allowed men the opportunity to take a step into a woman's perspective.
To walk in the hills a long time, I was like, oh my God, am I going to make it back to the Census Center? So kudos to women that wear heels. Likewise, to carry the burden of something like rape the rest of your life, that is a challenge.
A lot of people saw us and they stopped and took photos and videos. And I'm hoping that with the awareness that spread, that a lot of people would be here next year as well to walk.
There is an old saying that you can't understand another person's experience until you have walked a mile in their shoes. Taylor Justice, LUTV News, Lamar University.
If you are a victim of sexual assault, you can call the National Sexual Assault Hotline at 1-800-656-4673. If you are a Lamar University student, you can contact Title IX Coordinator Monica Ryan by calling 409-880-8163 or email mryan@lamar.edu. They say that home is where the heart is, and Richard and Pride Parr adopted Chewy, and now they are a happy family of 3. I spoke to the Parrs to learn more about Chewy's story. Warning, this content may contain graphic material. Beaumont Animal Care has over 140 animals that need homes.
So it's always great getting to help them grow until they're finally able to go off to a forever home.
Fortunately, Chewy found his forever home in the Parr family.
Really, we're the least of Chewy's life. He didn't know his name, and so we named him Chewy because he looks like Chewbacca.
Chewy is doing well now, but he once had a difficult life.
He collapsed in a lady's driveway, and if she hadn't seen him that day, I think he would have not lived another day.
Chewy did not always look as healthy as he does now.
His right rear leg was mangled. It was horrible. You could see the bone in his leg. You could also see the bone in his feet.
Chewy is stronger than ever and back on his feet.
So it's always rewarding to see them go with someone who generally wants them, especially when you saw them come in when they're most vulnerable and you see them leave in a better spot.
They say dogs are a man's best friend, and I agree.
He's just brought some happiness in, it's fun to have a dog and to have an animal around. And so I often laugh about who would we talk to if we didn't have Chewy.
Having dogs is a big responsibility, but they can make life worthwhile.
They are full-time. It's full-time care and what you have to provide for them. But they, as you can tell, they provide it right back in the love that they give back.
Akira Mouton, LUTV News, Beaumont. Chewy is in good shape, in good hands, and will be turning 3 years old in October.
An organization is hosting a family-friendly event to encourage pride for those that live in this area code. I spoke with 409 co-founder and creative director Joanna Trincali to learn about their takeover over Terrell Park.
Really is built by the community for the community
I
kind
love
of thing.
that.
So.
Yeah, you're in tune with the community. That's great.
We're trying, yeah.
So 409 Family partnered with the CVB,
yes.
and with the help of Beaumont City Council, will create 409 Day. Can
Yes.
you please tell me what that process was like?
It was pretty easy, actually. We've had a good relationship with the CVB for several years now. Even before we founded 409 Family, we were a part of their localist group, which anybody can sign up for. I believe it's on their website. And it's just, people that live here that share their good experiences in the area and things like that. And so through that process, we just developed a good relationship with them, and that only grew when we founded 409 Family. And we have a really good relationship, so, we haven't dealt as much with City Council and City Hall, but we have a good relationship with them too. They make it really easy. There's an online form to fill out the proclamation and everything. And actually tonight we'll get our proclamation for 409 Day.
Wow, congratulations
that
on
will make every last Saturday of April will be officially 409 Day. So we're hoping to make it an annual event that's just going to get better each year.
Bigger each year. Well, congrats on that.
Thank you.
Can you tell me a little bit what is 409 Day? Tell us what families can expect.
It's really just a day to celebrate togetherness and community and just have a fun day together. It was originally, I think in our heads, we started it as a community picnic. And so it was just like a laid back day with our community. And then we were like, let's add food truck. Let's have live music.
All these things.
And so, but it's really become a day to just spotlight 409.
.409 Day is this Saturday, April 29th at Terrell Park in Beaumont from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Admission is free. For more information, visit 409family.com. 409 Day sounds like a great event, but will the weather represent for the Golden Triangle like a champion, or will it knock us down with rain showers?
LUTV weather anchor Tommy Byers is here to let us know if we will have a rocky next few days or if we have a puncher's chance at seeing the sun. Tommy?
Unfortunately, with all the rain chances in our forecast this week, I don't see a lot of time for family events outdoors. That doesn't mean we can't find something to enjoy indoors. Let's take a look at our forecast. On Wednesday and Thursday, rain chances and thunderstorms will appear with a high of 81 and a low of 66 on Thursday. Those thunderstorm chances will reach 80% for a viewing audience. Rain chances will move out on Friday with a high of 84, but they will return on Saturday with a high of 77 and a low of 63. Partly cloudy skies will appear on Sunday with a high of 77. And those rain chances will move out just in time for May flowers with a high of 81 and partly cloudy skies on Tuesday with a low of 60. As we talked about, as we can see, there are rain chances on both Wednesday and Thursday, which will bring us into Saturday with a high of 77. Partly cloudy skies will return on Sunday with a low of 58. Those rain chances will move out for Monday with a high of 81 and a low of 60 on Tuesday. For LUTV weather, I am Tommy Byers. Back to Akira and Tracy.
Okay, so Tracy, this is our last show and
Yes.
the semester's ending. So what are you doing this summer?
This summer, I plan on taking a much needed vacation with my family and also doing a lot of yard work and planting some new flowers in my garden. How about yourself?
Yeah, that sounds nice. I'm going on a cruise in June, and then I have a summer birthday, so I'm excited about that. I'm turning 21.
Wow, well, congrats on turning 21.
Thanks. And thank you for watching LUTV News Break. To see more content from LUTV News, follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook.
Be sure to join us in the fall 2023 for content from LUTV News, where your campus, community, and culture news come together.